Are we truly ready to live in homes that think, adapt, and evolve with us? Could our next neighborhood be smarter than ever before, quietly upgrading our lives while keeping us safe, connected, and comfortable? Let's watch the tech-savvy suburbs, where smart homes are the norm in Northwest Chicago by 2025. But before we begin, like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on new videos like this. North Aurora Batavia Corridor, fiber at scale. Could you really get gigabit internet at family-friendly prices just 45 minutes from downtown Chicago? North Aurora and Batavia say yes, and they're making it easier than ever to live a digitally connected life. Thanks to significant Metronet deployments, large sections of these towns now enjoy symmetrical gigabit speeds, equal upload and download, no data caps, and strong reliability. Local Reddit users consistently praise the service, with many noting that Metronet beats cable pricing while delivering far better performance, especially for remote workers, gamers, and smart home users. But this isn't just about speed. The network infrastructure has helped make smart homes mainstream here. Whether it's Ring video doorbells, smart thermostats, or full automation panels, residents report these features as standard in many new builds and remodels. Tech forward doesn't have to mean urban. North Aurora and Batavia are proving that suburban smarts and rural calm can coexist beautifully. Lake in the Hills and Algonquin, smart expansion on the edge. These two suburbs on the northwestern edge of Chicagoland have long been desirable for their family appeal and scenic preserves, but now they're quickly becoming smart infrastructure leaders. AT&T and other fiber providers have been expanding along the Randall Road corridor, bringing fiber to the home to entire subdivisions in Lake in the Hills and Algonquin. Reddit users in the region confirm that areas near Algonquin Commons, Costco, and the surrounding neighborhoods are already lit for gigabit speeds. New home builds in this area are being constructed with smart home readiness baked in. Pre-installed mesh Wi-Fi systems, Z-Wave compatible outlets, and Nest or Ecobee smart thermostats are becoming the norm. These towns may sit on the urban edge, but they're ahead of the curve in smart growth. Huntley, fast-growing with infrastructure to match. Once a sleepy farm community, Huntley has become one of the fastest-growing suburbs in Illinois, and with that growth has come impressive digital infrastructure. Located along the Lake County Technology Corridor, Huntley benefits from Metronet's full fiber rollouts and expanding AT&T gigabit access. New subdivisions near Route 47 and Reed Road already feature full fiber connectivity, allowing residents to stream, video call, and manage home systems with zero lag. Smart homes in Huntley are more than just trendy, they're practical. From voice-controlled lighting to cloud-based alarm systems, the tech is seamlessly integrated. Developers understand that families and remote workers demand reliability, and Huntley is rising to meet that challenge. South Elgin, North Elgin, fiber coming of age. South Elgin and the northern parts of Elgin are no longer just traditional working-class suburbs. They're becoming connected communities in the truest sense. Recent months have seen a surge in fiber expansion, especially from AT&T and Metronet. Residents report increased installation across neighborhoods near Dundee Avenue, McLean Boulevard, and Silver Glen Road. Homes in these areas often come pre-wired with Cat 6 or fiber lines, ready for smart TVs, cloud-connected appliances, and high-bandwidth video conferencing. Elgin's relatively affordable housing stock makes it especially attractive for first-time buyers and retirees looking to age in place with smart-enabled conveniences. While the southern parts of Elgin still lag slightly, the north side is booming with digital readiness. West Chicago, Geneva Corridor, business fiber meets smart homes. The corridor between West Chicago and Geneva has long been home to light industry and distribution centers. But now those business needs are helping residents get access to enterprise-grade infrastructure. Comcast Business has quietly laid high-capacity fiber lines in Hanover Park, Geneva, and surrounding towns. That same backbone has supported residential gigabit rollouts, especially in communities with mixed-use zoning. Metronet also serves large sections of West Chicago and Geneva, offering affordable gigabit fiber with strong uptime. This fiber network supports homes with cloud-based door locks, smart HVAC systems, and video surveillance streaming directly to mobile devices. Whether you're running a home-based business or just want a lag-free movie night, this corridor blends robust connectivity with suburban charm. Rolling Meadows Mixed Provider Fiber Access. Located just west of Arlington Heights, Rolling Meadows is a strategic choice for those seeking smart infrastructure close to the city. While not fully blanketed in fiber, the town boasts about 21% fiber availability, mostly through AT&T and extensive cable and DSL coverage elsewhere. Corridors connecting Schaumburg, Des Plaines, and Palatine pass through Rolling Meadows, enabling incremental fiber expansion across subdivisions and multifamily units. Residents in newer condo complexes and cul-de-sacs report having Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, mesh routers, and even home entertainment automation pre-installed. The town's blend of mid-century housing stock and new development offers a range of options for buyers at different tech comfort levels, whether you're a plug-and-play enthusiast. Elgin. Diverse neighborhoods with emerging fiber. Elgin is not just one of Illinois' oldest cities, it's also one of the most digitally diverse. From Victorian-era homes to sprawling subdivisions, Elgin's varied neighborhoods are now connecting to the fiber revolution. AT&T and Metronet have extended fiber coverage into Elgin's north side, particularly in new developments near Big Timber Road and Bowes Creek Boulevard. New homes feature pre-installed smart panels, solar battery dashboards, and automated lighting control. Elgin's blend of working-class roots and affordable pricing makes it a viable place for families, entrepreneurs, and retirees to embrace connected living without premium pricing. The city's diverse architecture also offers options for tech retrofits or fresh smart-enabled builds. Hoffman Estates, East Edge. Fiber corridor meets smart growth. Often overshadowed by Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates is quietly laying the groundwork for smart growth, especially along its eastern edge near the I-90 corridor, known as the Golden Corridor. This stretch is home to corporate campuses and business parks, many of which are fiber-powered. That backbone is now extending into nearby residential areas, particularly those built or renovated after 2018. Newer homes often come equipped with multi-zone audio, app-controlled security, and symmetrical gigabit speeds. With business innovation driving infrastructure development, Hoffman Estates is poised to become a smart home standard bearer for the next decade. Schaumburg, newer estates, AT&T, and Metronet rollout. As one of Chicagoland's most recognizable suburbs, Schaumburg has long offered commercial and cultural appeal. But in 2025, it's becoming a smart living pioneer, particularly in its newer residential neighborhoods. AT&T has ramped up fiber installation in post-2022 developments, while Metronet's presence has grown steadily, offering competitive service in East and West Schaumburg. Residents in these areas report nodes being activated, neighborhoods being mapped for underground wiring, and fiber hubs popping up every few blocks. For smart home fans, this means no-lag security cameras, real-time automation dashboards, and always-on cloud access. The bonus, all this in a suburb known for great schools, parks, and healthcare. Northwood, Inverness edge of rolling meadows, quiet fiber communities. At the top of our list are two under-the-radar communities that are turning heads in smart living circles. Northwood, and the Inverness Edge areas near Rolling Meadows and Palatine. These neighborhoods aren't always marked on fiber maps, but dig into Reddit, Yelp, and local real estate forums, and you'll see mentions of stealth AT&T fiber installations and select fiber drops on adjacent streets. Residents in newly renovated cul-de-sacs or tucked-away communities report symmetric gigabit service, voice-controlled security, and home automation via platforms like Alexa or HomeKit. The appeal, these are quiet, leafy, and established communities, but with state-of-the-art connectivity. For buyers who want the best of both worlds, peaceful living and high-speed tech, this area is the ultimate find. Are you ready to make the smart move? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the tech-savvy suburbs of Northwest Chicago, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.